Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a dorm tour. This is my dorm for this past year of college, which I'm still in, and enjoy. So to start off with, this is my sink, and over here I have all my makeup, my medicine, toothbrush, deodorant and body spray, more makeup, makeup wipes, and a water bottle and some soap. And then you come in here with the bathroom. And I have my towels over here. Then in here, I just have all my stuff down there. And here we have the mini fridge and the microwave. I have some groceries that I just got. We have this little freezer. Then our mini fridge. Then this is my bed, which I have it on risers. And the bedding is from American Eagle X Dormify on their website, and the two white pillows in the back are from TJ Maxx. This pillow is from At Home, that pillow is from Target. I have my Fox pillow pet, and then this is my Young Life blanket, blanket from American Eagle. Then down here I have all my mugs over here, movies, books, my little cubbies with like underwear and socks. Then over here I have my hoodie that I like to keep for when I get cold. I have another throw blanket from TJ Maxx, this ottoman which just has more socks, and my book bag. And I have some coloring little books here, and I keep all my sandals that are in kind of like a storage area because it's too cold for them right now. And up here, that little sign, just crooked, is from Hobby Lobby. I have all my photos and some things hung up, and the lights are from TJ Maxx. And over here I have this little thing which I got from At Home, my little K that I have from TJ Maxx, and then I have some plants here and a photo of my dog, tissues, a drink that I had from lunch, and I just keep like my iPad and my Mac over here. Then this is like my closet area, and I just have a ton of stuff. Of course, I have a lot of foxes over here. I have my hair accessories up in here. Keep my purses hung up in here. You look in, I just have a ton of storage up in here. My stuff, laundry basket, extra supplies, my snack bin. Then over here is my printer, and I have some tissues and coffee and a couple of notebooks. And I keep my shoes all down here, mostly sneakers over here. My little beanbag chair and all my foxes, and then an eagle because our mascot is the golden eagles. The beanbag and pillow are from Walmart. Then behind here I keep my resistance band and yoga mat when I want to work out in my dorm. I don't want to like walk all the way to the fitness center. And here I have all my paper and stuff. I have a little something from Parent Association. I have all my pens, pencils, etc. Then my nail polish is down here, this little way. Then I have this little bookshelf that I got off Amazon. And I have a little kitty right there behind the little LSC thing I painted. The little kitty is from, I want to say it's from Earthbound. I have all my jewelry right here. And I have some notebooks, my Kendra Scott little box, two more foxes and a little question book, and I keep my Apple Home down here. There's also like paper clips and thumbtacks and stuff. Keep all my like letters, envelopes and stuff here. Then I have index cards and little drawing things, and I have all my textbooks, some other books there. Then up here, a photo of me and my two really good friends from like when we were younger and recently. And then I have this soft lamp. I have all like some more supplies. Here I have this little thing from Hobby Lobby. Keep my flash drive and my USB adapter. And then over here is another little poster thing from At Home. I also keep my jackets on this chair. Then if you like take it out, I keep my outfits typically right here the next day. And I have some just kind of my junk drawer, some other supplies. And below that I just keep my MacBook box that came in, nice paper towels. So that is my dorm room, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and hopefully I'm going to start doing more college related videos, and this is it till next time.